This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Commission Replicator review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new software called Commission Replicator. Before I do that, let me share with you some of my review bonuses. The bonuses I have for you are Social Media Boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, 6-figure influx, X-Funnel, The Secret Weapon, The Commission Magnet, Traffic Machine, 25 proven traffic methods, how to 10x your commissions, Affiliate Traffic Lab, Instagram Marketing Secrets, Overnight Commission, $250 Cash Magnet, $2,000 CPA Traffic Jacker, The Commission Glitch, The Commission Blueprint, $500 CPA Every Day, $1 Million Toolbox, Instant Traffic Jacker, CPA Coffee Shop Method, and Affiliate Traffic Lab. So what is Commission Replicator? Commission Replicator is a cloud-based software that comes with a combination of done-for-you bonus page and thank-you page builders, funnel builders, sales boosting tools, and email swipes that will help you boost the sales of the affiliate offers that you promote. As the name implies, Commission Replicator simply replicates the activities of highly successful affiliate marketers, some of which are expensive, and makes them available to you at next to no cost. In other words, it simplifies the complex activities of such affiliate marketers and helps you carry them out to make huge commissions. On the done-for-you side, the Commission Replicator comes preloaded with 15 high-selling products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo platforms. With this Commission Replicator, you are provided bonuses that you can offer to your leads to enable you make sales, because bonuses over time have shown to enhance sales of affiliate offers. Now we're inside the members area of the Commission Replicator. When you log into the software, this is what your members area will look like. You have your dashboard, you have my profile where you can change your profile, the bonus builder app, the done for you funnels, the conversion tool, email swipes, traffic, where to build traffic, your training, help, your triple threat traffic, your reseller information. These are essentially what you will find in the members area. And in the members area, you find the welcome video that is a guide on how to get started. And there you also have your training, which shows you how to set up and get your Commission Replicator running. Let us see what you find in the training area. Now in the training area, you find your daily tips, how to create your campaigns, how to deliver bonuses via JVZoo, how to deliver bonuses via Warrior Plus, how to create campaigns for any product, service or launch, how to share, upload your funnels, and how to, that's in the upgrade, how to add the Facebook pixel to your funnel, how to add Facebook comments to your funnel, how to add Facebook Messenger to the funnel, how to create social proof pop-ups, how to create exit pop-ups, and the other unannounced bonuses that you will find. Now, depending on what aspect of the product you choose, some of these trainings may not be applicable to you, especially the areas that involve tools that will aid your marketing, such as how to add Facebook pixel, that is to help you with retargeting of leads, how to add Facebook comments to your funnel, and how to add Facebook Messenger, that is to increase engagements with your prospects, how to create social proof pop-ups, how to create exit pop-ups. All these are to increase engagement and sales. This you will only find depending on which aspect of this product you subscribe to. Now this is what my profile looks like. This is where you put in your name, your business name, the name you want, and this is where you put your avatar. That is the image that you want people to see, though it's optional. This is where you change your password, and once you are done, you click on update profile to save changes. Now these are the 15 preloaded software products that this Commission Replicator comes with. If you want to preview your sales page, you can simply click on this link. It automatically shows you what your sales page will look like. This is also where you preview your download page. Now this is where you request for your affiliate link. Assuming you have not been approved to promote any of these offers, assuming you have not been approved to promote any of these offers, once you click on this get affiliate link, it will automatically take you to the page where you can easily request for your affiliate link. And once you request for your affiliate link and submit request, upon approval, you will have your affiliate link. Now this is where you get your email swipes, assuming you are sending emails to your list. Now this is the JV page, and this is where you get your email swipes. Now this is the bonus builder application. This is where you build your bonus page that you attach to your sales page that you deliver to your customers when they buy your products. Let's take Communication Replicator as an example. This is where you view the Communicator Replicator sales page. Let us click on it and see. So this is what your leads will see when they click on the offer links. After they purchase the Communication Replicator from you, here is the bonus page that will be delivered to them. Now, how do we set up our sales and download page? It's very easy. You simply click on this add new. So here we enter the title for our bonus page. Now there are pre-made templates. If we want, now once we click on this, there are pre-made templates that we can choose from. We can choose any of this, and this is what we'll see. Or we can completely select ours. Every part of this page is customizable. Now this is where we place our review video. You need to click and highlight until it turns blue. Then you head over to your video. This is where you insert your video. So every part of this page is customizable. If you want to add your image, this is also where you add your image. Now these are the features where you can easily customize every aspect. Then one thing, everywhere here that has this percentage and all these special characters, you do not tamper with them. You leave them as they are. This is where you set up your sales page. Of course, you can also, if you want to set it up without using any of the pre-made templates, that is also possible. After setting up your sales page, you can now set up your download page. Again, every aspect of this download page is customizable. So here you can make all the changes you need. Then this is where you go ahead and set up your affiliate links. You get your affiliate links and paste in here. This is where you set up the expiry date for the products, and this is where you set up your exit pop-ups depending on what version of the product you go for. This is where you also set up your social proof. This is where you set up your Facebook pixel. These are all tools to boost your sales. That is your exit pop-ups, your social proof settings, and your Facebook pixel for retargeting. Now these are the bonuses that are available. This is where you select the bonus you want to give away to whoever will buy your specific products. And this is where you change the price so that your bonus page will reflect the price of the bonuses you are giving away. As I said earlier, these are your conversion boosting tools, but this depends on which version of the product you pick. This is where you add your Facebook pixel. There is a guide on how you can do that. This is where you also add Facebook commenting plugin, which there's also a guide on how you can successfully do that. This is where you add your Facebook chat widget. There's also a guide on how you can do that. These are tools to help you boost your conversion and sales. Now this is what the help desk looks like, where you submit your tickets to have whatever challenges you may have resolved. Now, depending on which aspect of this software that you pick, you may have this triple thread traffic or you may not. But if you stay on to the end, you will see how you can get this triple thread traffic. Now, this is what the triple thread traffic area of this Commission Replicator software looks like. As I mentioned earlier, the training area provides you with detailed step-by-step explanation on how you can use this software to earn like the super affiliates. So I encourage you to pick this Commission Replicator software so that you can begin to work and earn like the super affiliates. Now let me share with you the sales funnel. The sales funnel of the Commission Replicator essentially looks like this. The front end comes with an early bird discounted price of $17.97, and this will be going on up till 3 p.m. Eastern on launch day. From 3 p.m. Eastern to midnight on the 16th December Eastern, there will still be a discount price of $19.97. Then on the second day, the price will be going up to $21.97. On the third day, the price will keep going up until the end of the launch, when the price will go up to $24.97. Then the OTO1, which is the unlimited, goes for $97, goes for an upsale of $97 with a downsale of $47. Then the OTO2, which is the done for you funnel, has an upsale of $97 with a downsale of $67. In this OTO2, everything about the activities will be done for you. Then we have the OTO3, which is the automated traffic flow. It goes for $97 with a downsale of $67. In this OTO, you will essentially hook up to the traffic source of the product creator. Then the OTO4, which is the 100x tools. Here you are provided with additional tools that will help you increase your sales and leads. It goes for $67 with a downsale of $47. Then the OTO5, which is the triple threat traffic, goes for $67 with a downsale of $47. Then the OTO6, which is the license rights, goes for $197 with a downsale of $97. In the OTO6, you have the right to sell Commission Replicator as your own and keep 100% profit across the funnel. Now, having gone through this review video and you feel this product is for you, please click the link in the description below this video and it will take you to the sales page, which will look exactly like this. Now, this is exactly what the sales page will look like. And once you click on this link and conclude the purchasing process, you will have access to the Commission Replicator software. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon and like this video. That will continue to bring to you even better review videos than this. Thank you for watching this our Commission Replicator review video to the end. See you in the next.